everybody, my name's Dan from Purely Website. We're back with another video on how to use our control panel for our web hosting platform. Today we're going to be showing you how easy it is to restore a backup and to get your website back online in the event of any issues or any problems you have with updates or edits. So here we are logged into our control panel. First of all, we'll click on the website that we want to restore. We have our purelydemo.co.uk here. And if I click on View Site, you can see we've got a working WordPress website. And if you click on Sample Page, you go to another page. So for the purpose of this demo, we'll go ahead and break that website. We'll click on File Manager, go into Public HTML where all of our files are. We'll select a few of these. We'll even hit WP Content, and we'll delete those. Now if we go back to our website and hit refresh, we're showing an error message, error 500. So to restore, simply go back to your main control panel, press Backups, and here we have all the backups listed for that website. We have the date on the left-hand side here, along with the file size, how many databases and mailboxes. You can select from any one of these backups to restore. For the purpose of this demo, we'll choose the latest one. We'll click Restore here, select Website. You will get a message to say that this will restore the backup from this date. You'll not be able to make any changes to the website during the restore, which is fine. Click on Restore. You can see that the restore has taken place right here, and it's already completed. So we can go back to our website again, press Reload, and there we go. We are back up and running. It's as easy as that.